Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove attachments from records in HubSpot. This is essential for keeping all relevant documents, contracts, or files directly linked to your contacts, deals, or tickets, ensuring your team has instant access to important information. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Sign into your HubSpot account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard where all your tools and menus are accessible. Next, look to the left navigation bar and click on the CRM menu. This will expand to show you all the record types available in your account. From this expanded menu, click on Contacts to begin working with your records. HubSpot organizes everything by object type, so whether you're working with contacts, companies, deals, or tickets, you'll follow a similar path. Now, select the specific object you need. For example, if you're managing contacts, stay in the Contacts section. If you need to attach files to a deal or company record instead, simply choose Deals or Companies from the menu. Once you're in the right section, browse through your records and click on the name of the specific record you want to edit. This opens up the full detail page for that record. On the Records detail page, scroll down the right sidebar until you find the Attachments card. This section is usually located near the bottom and displays any files already linked to this record. To add a new attachment, click Add Attachment or Upload File. A file browser window will pop up, allowing you to navigate your computer's folders. Select the file you want to upload and click Open. The file will upload directly to the record and appear in the Attachments card. If the file you need is already stored in HubSpot's Files tool, you can attach it without re-uploading. Simply click Add or Existing, then select the file from your HubSpot file library and confirm your choice. This saves time and keeps your file management centralized. To remove an attachment, locate it in the Attachments card and click the X or Delete icon next to the file name. HubSpot will prompt you with a confirmation dialog to make sure you really want to remove it. Click Delete or Remove to confirm. Once removed, the attachment will no longer appear in the card, and the record will update immediately to reflect this change. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.